We decided that we wanted to eat today. Right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm hungry.
We thought we would do something fun for our Sunday dinner. And if you hear chomping right now, it's because Beasley is down there eating some ice. So you might hear her in the background. But I haven't been too shy with the fact that what's not my favorite thing
is Star Wars.
Is Star Wars. I'm not crazy about Star Wars.
But one thing she did like about Star Wars was
the Ronto Wrap.
Yes.
Which we watched plenty of videos on before we went this last time, and
it didn't really look good on the videos.
It didn't look good.
But when we got it, it was good.
It was amazing. Like, I really liked it. We only got one because I was like, I'm not going to be crazy about this. I'm just going to take a couple bites and then you can have it. And then I was really sad that we only had one to share. I could have had my own.
Yeah.
So, if you haven't seen it, Ronto Wrap is at Ronto Roasters at Galaxy's Edge.
Yes.
It is a pita bread with a smoked sausage, with a coleslaw and some dressing on it. And then what else does it have on it? A pork roast.
Pork roast, yeah.
A piece of pork. So it's like pork on pork and coleslaw.
Yeah.
And they also have a breakfast version and a vegan version.
But Heather doesn't like breakfast foods that well. She don't like eggs.
I don't like eggs, so most breakfast foods that are like, you know, like burritos or tacos or anything like that, they always have eggs in it. And I think the breakfast version of this is no different. It has eggs. I do love breakfast foods that aren't eggs.
Yeah.
But yeah, eggs are a no-go. So we started to look through some just different posts that were copycat versions of a Ronto roaster. And there were several different versions. And I don't know if you guys are having the same experience that we are lately, that grocery stores just don't have things. There's a lot of things that were out. So found one recipe that basically the peppercorn sauce that is in the Ronto Wrap, they had copycatted it to basically it's tzatziki sauce. And Beasley, I'm just going to keep going. Anyway, the tzatziki sauce was made with like cucumber and mint, garlic. What was the other? Dill. Dill was the other piece in it. We could not. No, basil was for the coleslaw.
Oh, sorry.
It was different, but we could not find mint and we cannot find dill. So we're out of luck on that. So I did find some other versions of the same recipe that made it basically out of Worcestershire sauce. So we are going to kind of mash a few things together and see what we come up with. So maybe does she?
I put a piece of ice in her water bowl. Yeah. And now there's just water, strong
water everywhere because that's Beasley. That is Beasley. Okay, so we're just going to mash some of it up and see what we get. And it may end up being great and it may not be great. So, I don't know. We'll find out.
Give it a shot.
All right. So, I want to go through some of the ingredients that we do have that's going into this. And there actually may be more after we start making it. But we have a coleslaw package that is just from the store, pre-packaged. I believe that you could probably make some, have some more shredded carrots in that. But this is going to do for today for us. We have some smoked sausage. And we got, I thought this was just turkey, but this is the mix, the pork, turkey, and beef.
They didn't have the turkey.
Okay. We usually like turkey sausage, but yeah, again, we're just working with what we have. Some pita. So just some regular old pita. Worcestershire sauce, mustard, mayo, apple cider vinegar, English cucumber, garlic, onion, lemon, and Greek yogurt. And there, like I said, there may be a few other ingredients that we throw in.
And Dijon mustard and a black peppercorn grinder.
Did I not mention those?
No, you might have.
Peppercorn is for the peppercorn, peppercorn sauce. So you have to have black peppercorn for black peppercorn sauce.
Yep.
It's required. Anyway, so we're, like I said, we may have to throw a few other ingredients in here. And the English cucumber was supposed to be part of that, more like the tzatziki sauce. So I don't know yet if I'm going to use it. We'll find out. And the other thing is I may end up using a little bit of ranch powder to mix in with it too. So to make up for the fact that it doesn't have dill.
Yep.
But ranch doesn't have dill either, so we may not use that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the coleslaw mix. I just used about half a bag of the, thank you. I used, garlic press, we'll need that. Anyway, used about a half bag of the coleslaw, and I'm going to actually add some red onion to it. Going to do a really cool, like, you get to watch me cut up the vegetables too, so that's awesome, right?
Yeah.
Right? People like to see people cut up vegetables.
I want to do it cool ways.
Yeah. I don't think I'm really doing it necessarily a cool way. Just throwing it off to the side for a little bit.
We'll let Beasley can clean it up later.
But she can't have onions.
No, but she can have like a paper towel.
Oh, yeah, I guess so. No, our dog cannot.
No,
clean it.
would be kind of cool.
That would be amazing. Let's see. So I'm just gonna slice, kind of thin. I'm trying to make it kind of small because I don't know, red onion can be a little.
I like red onion. I like red onion better than regular onion.
Yeah, but it can sometimes be a little pungent, right?
Yeah.
You think that's enough, or should I go more?
One more.
One more slice.
Can you put it in here?
Yep.
Let's see.
Okay. Round two. Taking some mayo and literally scraping the thing so I don't even know why I'm using a measuring cup, because it's not going to make a cup, but we're just going to go with it. Ooh, you know what I need?
What?
Sugar. See? Knew there would be more ingredients.
How much sugar do you need?
I'm gonna need more.
I need to go get mayonnaise.
Nope. We're gonna make it work. Guys, get mayo.
How much sugar do you need?
I don't know yet. Hang on. I'm gonna take just a little bit of vinegar. That's what I'm gonna be using. All right.
Wrong. You have like 97.
There's that. And where did the sugar go, babe?
Right here.
Okay. Doing just about a tablespoon of that. You have that. Also need some salt.
What?
Salt. Gonna add a little bit of salt. About time for another run to the Costco. You make an amazing sous chef.
Thanks.
so it's supposed to have a little bit of basil in here, but I don't have basil, so I just wanted something else that's a little, gives it a little extra taste. So I'm just putting a little bit of thyme, not much, just a touch. I don't want the dill. We found some dill, but not any mint, so that will still be an issue. Okay, so this looks good, and now I'm just going to take it and, of course, mix up the, okay. All right, so that looks good. So do you care to put that in the refrigerator? And now I'm going to take the Chobani and start making the peppercorn sauce. I need to cut. Taking a little bit of lemon. Oop, seed in there, that's fine. A little bit of lemon. Adding 2 squirts of Dijon mustard with some Worcestershire sauce. And then some peppercorn. When I say a lot, I mean a lot. Or when I say some, I mean a lot. Cue the 10 years later right here. Alright, time for a cleanup. Okay, so we have now finished cooking the smoked sausages and have made the coleslaw and the peppercorn sauce and have warmed the pita.
I'm ready to eat.
I think we're ready to assemble. That one is set. Okay, so now we have our grill pan heated with a little bit of olive oil. You should put this the long way, the other way. Yeah. Okay, so we have now finished cooking the smoked sausages and have made the coleslaw and the peppercorn sauce and have warmed the pita.
I'm ready to eat.
I think we're ready to assemble. Start with one that's not so. Add the sausage. Add the coleslaw. A little more than that, right?
Probably.
And then again, what we're missing is the piece of pork. But if you wanted to do that, you could take a thin pork chop and use a meat tenderizer and flatten it and then grill it, and you would be good to go. You could also take a pork tenderloin and cook that up and slice it too. To us, it just seemed like an added step that we didn't need today. Peppercorn. And that's it.
That's your Ronto Wrap.
Ronto. All right, guys.
Awesome.
I think that's it.
That's it. Very good.
All right. See you later.
Bye.
Where's tagline?
We need to remember this.
And remember, your adventure awaits. No, your adventure is out there. Remember, your adventure is out there.
It's you this time.
Okay.
You're already recording.
Let's do this again. Okay, guys, I think that's it for us. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you give it a try, let me know what you think. Put comments down below, like, and subscribe.
Yep.
And remember, your adventure is out there.
Bye, guys.
Bye.